And we're rolling. You guys good doing our camera?
Yep.
Yes. Perfect. Okay. So we're looking at problem 5 on the homework. You guys looked at the problem?
Yes.
So then we can jump right into part A. Here, I'll give the camera a little idea of what we're looking at. This is a iron carbon non-equilibrium cooling line chart. So, part A. Is it a hyper or hypoeutectoid steel? What do you guys think?
So I know for the hypereutectoid steel, it's going to be to the right of the eutectoid point. For a hypoeutectoid steel, it's going to be to the left of the eutectoid point.
Yes.
Now I'm a little confused because I'm used to looking at the regular phase diagram, not the isothermal time temperature diagram. So one of my questions is, how do I know if we're to the right of the eutectoid point or to the left?
Well, I'd ask you, what are the proeutectoid phases for hypo and hypereutectoid steel?
So for the pro-eutectoid phase for the hypereutectic is going to be liquid.
That's eutectic.
Eutectoid. So it's austenite and cementite for the hypereutectic. For the hypoeutectic, it's going to be austenite and ferrite.
So which of those phases for each is the pro-eutectoid?
I'm gonna find online.
The pro-eutectoid in this one is our austenite.
Go back and probably find pictures.
But then wouldn't it also be austenite in here?
That was 3 feet by 6 feet.
No,
But
yeah,
then
so
we
that's
know
perfect,
that
but I need-
hypo
I'm
and
gonna find
hyper
an actual-
are different. We know that they have different
Well, I know you're like,
proeutectoid phases.
but I'm just trying to have it because I'm just putting
Correct.
links right now.
So,
But I'm gonna take, like,
I
that
can say
helps
what I
though.
called,
So for the hypereutectic,
because that's active gathering.
cementite will be our
Because that's active gathering.
pro-eutectic,
Not that it matters,
And
but
for
it's
the
just like, I'm just
hypo-
trying to keep track.
Yes, keep track. Yeah.
ferrite will be our
Okay, so
pro-eutectic.
he
Yes.
said, how much was it?
It goes for about 30.
with that in mind, if we go back to the cooling diagram and we look at what phases are on the diagram, it'll clue us into whether it's hypo or hyper. So,
Oh, that's what it was.
you know A, it
Yep.
is,
Austenite,
and P's,
perlite,
and bainite, and martensite,
and ferrite.
and ferrite.
Yep.
So if you have ferrite present, and ferrite being present before this cooling through the eutectoid point, then
Okay, so.
I'd ask you which kind of steel is it?
That'd be a hypoeutectic steel.
Okay,
Maybe hypoeutectic.
so with that.
But how do we know we have ferrite before the cooling point? Oh, this line?
This line is the point.
Which one? The dotted or the solid?
This dotted line is
Eutectic temperature.
correlated with this temperature here.
Yep.
So I'll show the camera briefly. We're looking at this line, which correlates to the temperature of this point. My peers are going to be deathly interested in this topic, and so these are our different phases. Ferrite being here, that F phase. So, moving on to question B.